This is the VECTOR SR80 Pro, which is currently one of the most popular RC boats on Banggood right now. Let's try and find out today what's making it so popular. First, let's check what it says on the box. It's got an upgradable power system. As a Pro product, you're not going to find any of those nasty 2-in-1 ESCs in here. Everything can be replaced, changed or upgraded. Durable unibody hull. And it is quite durable. I've ran mine into the bank a few times. Auto self-righting I think needs a little bit of an asterisk. I've had it flip over 4 times and I've only been able to get it to right twice. The other 2 times I had to go and get it. It's got all metal gear at the back, which is certainly rare on a boat this inexpensive. Top speed claimed on the box is 70 kilometers per hour. As you can see, there are 2 versions of this boat. The non-Pro version is a little bit slower and the rear parts are plastic. Here we can see the cooling block for the motor. It is water cooled. The motor is a 3720 1750 kV outrunner motor, which do tend to run a little bit cooler. And here you can see the fins that direct airflow over the motor for some additional cooling. Here you can see the ESC water cooling, and the ESC is waterproof too. The receiver is absolutely filled with epoxy, so there's no danger of any water getting in there. The ESC comes with dual XT60, so you can run a single 2S, 3S or 4S with the provided loop key, or you can choose to run double 2S. Now I have heard of people running these on 5S, but you do so at your own risk. Don't go to Banggood customer support and say, "Oh, China Expat RC said I could run this on 5S. It's not rated for 5S. Maybe you can run it on 5S. It's not my fault."
Well, the river is looking very gentle today, so we should be able to get some good 4S runs in. Right, no need for the loop key this time, since we're going to be running it on 2S for a combined total of 4S. And if you're wondering why I'm putting tape on here, I haven't had it happen to me, but I've noticed a few people on YouTube, they've rolled over and the top's come off. So it's a little bit strange. So I do tape mine down just to make sure. If it fills with water, it will sink. It happened to Kevin Talbot the first time he took his out. Right, let's get it in the water. There we go, 4S power. Right, full throttle. Now just look at that thing fly. Now, I love it when you've got a big open river with very smooth water. It flies like a dream. Oh, the river police are coming. Better stay out of the way. Wonder if he wants to race. Oh, watch out for that wave. Oh, there we go. better be careful for a second while the wake's still going. See if I can jump this one. Oh, there we go. Oh, some more boats come in. Wonder if they want to race.
这个可以游多远吗？
大概我不知道，大概200米。Oh, the beeping's telling us it's time to go home.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.